I'm going to show you the starting procedure for this drone, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the back, and you're going to see on the back that there's a universal power sign and a little button next to it. That's your on button. What you have to do is squeeze that for 2 seconds. You're going to get some blinking red lights. There they are, okay? If you look at the front of it, you're going to get blinking green lights. It's like a plane. That tells you that's the front where the camera is, the green lights. And the red tells you that that's the back of the drone. So remember that. Red's the back, green's the front. All right, so let's go ahead and set it down on a nice flat surface, nice and even, right there. All right, next what you've got to do is you're going to come over to your controller, and you're going to go to the right corner bottom, and there's another universal power sign. You got to press and hold that, and you're going to see a beeping red light. Bam, we're ready to go. Now you've got to connect your Wi-Fi. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to go to Wi-Fi, right here, right? Click on that, and then we're going to turn on Wi-Fi. All right, and it's going to look for it. There it is. That's what we want. So we're connected now. That's the X-Pack. That's what we want to do. Let's close that. Let's go to the application, which I already showed you how to download it off of Apple. It's the ATTOP image. Click that, and bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go. All right, so before you can do any video or anything, we've got everything connected. We got both of them on. We're blinking. So what we've got to do to start this thing is we got to press this forward and hold it, and then we're going to pull it back. Okay, then we're going to take both of these and we're going to push them to the corners. All right, now we've got solid and solid. Once you got a solid light there and a layer, you're ready to go. Now to get the propellers spinning, that's the first thing. You got to push this forward and the propeller should start spinning. All right, now we've got the propeller spinning, right? So now to launch this thing, we would press here, but let's go ahead and turn on the video so we can video record. All right, there we go. We're recording. I had to press that. For some reason, it didn't work on here. But anyway, now it's recording. Now, if I press this button, it's going to launch. All right, so let's go ahead and launch this bad boy. You guys ready? Here we go. Up she goes. If you like this video, check out all my other awesome videos on this drone. Peace out.